What is good, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of the CG6 rebuild. And what finally came in was my lip. The spark plugs finally came in. They came in yesterday. The package wasn't too badly damaged, but it still came in. And look at my dog. Look at this. Look at my dog. Fuck you doing? Cheese. Fuck you is. Here comes the other one. Here comes Mac. I got myself a butter knife, but I don't think it's exactly what I needed, but it works either way. Oh, I'm so sorry. Alright, let's try to open this shit. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. Jeez, can you move? Oh, no way. Do I really? Oh, what the fuck are you doing, Cheese? What the fuck are you doing? I think I really need to rebend the lip itself. The way how it's like all packaged and everything like that. Ah, man. Can y'all move? Anyway. Okay. I'm gonna try taking this down to the garage really quick to see. Well, I'm gonna rip it open, try to test fit it, and probably Friday or Saturday, that's when I'm going to be painting it, but I'm not going to be putting it on yet. I'll be doing a headlight restoration and spark plug change, but I'm going to do that spark plug change off camera because no need to.
Drama Battalion.
Sometimes, man, sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I pretend like I'm real close. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I have to put my life on hold. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I can't dream because I'm still wild. I'm still wow, 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 wow. I'm still I'm still wow, 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 wow. I'm still wow, 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 wow. Yeah. I'm still
my life is music. When I hit that mic, I gain control. Speaking purely through my soul when my mind's in overload. For so long, I was cold. I mean, my heart was froze. Trembling emotions. How the fuck was I supposed to grow? But how the fuck were they supposed to know that my ambitions had me dissing those creating distance from me and my goals? I was so bitter, feeling like I was the run of the litter. But now I deliver like Domino's dinner. Go call me whatever, but can't call me quitter. I'm stuck in my work. They don't wanna be eating, but then they desert. Wasn't here in the kitchen, I eating the dishes. Why they here for dessert? They tryna wipe the game, but all they ever do is flirt. I give my heart, I give my soul, I swear I really put in work. Now they look up to me, we see from the same height, on the same earth. Walk the same ground, through the same dirt. Live the same love and the same hurt, cause I'm still woke, but my dreams keep teasing me.
The main issue with this lip when I was installing it was both ends were too short, so I really had to cut them from this part. Yeah, paint got chipped right here and right there too, and some right here. That really sucks. Like, I swear to God, like the lips I ordered never fit, and I always have to shave them. So my plan is to get some like Bondo or a foam to cover up this part to here at most, and put like a ABS plastic behind this to form the rest of the lip. So if possible, I can take out this screw. Like I don't really care if the screw is in here or not. Like I could just use putty just to cover it up, and that's it. And then repaint it. Then I'm all set. And here is another issue. I'm not sure you guys can see this. Let me get a flashlight. If you guys can see this issue right now, yes, that is the issue. Like, what the fuck? Come on. This thing is gonna melt. Like, for sure, that thing is gonna melt. Man, why did they have to do this to me? Why? I guess that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this this video, especially episode 2 on this lip. Took about nearly 4 or 5 days just to finish this. I had to do some stuff off camera. It really pissed me off, but overall, hope you guys enjoyed. Go follow our Luminous page. A link will be down below in the description. And yeah, just give us a follow and subscribe. Peace out.